If you're an artist or an entertainer, I've got good news for you. I created this fictional cartoon music video completely with AI.
I keep my head up to the sky, faith in my heart, hustle in my stride. I know my time gon' come alive. I'm made for more, I feel it deep inside.
I feel blessed to see another day. I thank God, he the reason I'm living today. Straight out of bed, chase my hustle. They gotta pay, steady on the grid, cause there ain't no other way. Rest in peace to the comfort zone. Bro, I ain't gotta be lazy, I gotta chase the tone. I see myself in high places, I'm chasing high stages. If it ain't no business, please don't call my phone.
Said the road is tough and long, but I've been walking all along. With every prayer, I stand strong. I know I'm right where I belong. I keep my head up to the sky.
As you can see, that music video is looking very cool. Everything you just heard or watched is completely AI. The music, the characters, everything. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create it for free using few AI tools. Let's dive in. So the first thing you need to do is to come to suno.com. So here you are going to create the audio. That is if you don't have your own song that you want to use for your music video. You can create a music here, you can do an instrumental, whatever you want to do. So you can see here there's an option to add your own lyrics. So here you can add your own lyrics, and you can come down, scroll down, and then you select the style that you want. This is where you select the style of music. Is it a rap song? Is it a country song? You can see there are different genres here. So you select what you want. So if you want to be able to write your lyrics properly, because there's a way you organize your lyrics and it will make the sound better, just go to ChatGPT. So here in ChatGPT, all you just need to do is to go over to GPTs. Under GPTs, you search Suno. So here you can see different custom GPTs that people have created. You can use this to compose your lyrics well. So over here, this is the prompt I gave it to get my own lyrics out. So as you can see, I said, now I want you to start writing a lyrics for me. I want the song to talk about hustle, faith, and making it big. I want to start with a lady singing a short chorus, then Steve, which is my name, enters with a rap, but at the beginning, there should be some ad-libs by Steve. So here I pasted a lyrics that I wrote by myself, and then it went ahead to, organize my song. As you can see, the lyrics is properly organized. You can see here, lyrics, intro, ad-libs, chorus. So if you paste a lyrics that is properly composed like this in Suno, it's going to make your song better. So this is just for people that want to create like an AI song. But if you have your own song that you want to use for a music video, you would not need to do all of this. So back here in Suno, this is the song. It actually gives two options. Here's the first one.
Yeah, grinding every day. No sleep, just dreams. Let's go.
So this is the one I use for the music video.
I'm chasing better with a dream in my
So this is the second option.
I see myself in
Yeah, so don't really have to play all this. So this is basically how you can use Suno to create your own AI music video. So we're just going to go over to create our AI characters and video. So the first step to creating our AI music video is to first of all start by creating AI cartoon characters. So back here in ChatGPT, as you can see, I've already provided ChatGPT with my prompt and my picture just to use as a reference, and I gave it these prompts. I'm going to provide a link to all the prompts I use in the description below. So I gave it these prompts, and then it created this male character for me. As you can see, this is super cool. So this is the same character we're going to use to create different scenes in different backgrounds, which we'll use to create our music video. We're going to animate this character, and yeah, he's going to rap to the music that we created. So the next one, I use this picture. This is just a stock photo I got, and then I pasted these prompts. Like I said, all the prompts are in the description below. And then he gave me these female characters because my own concept, I want it to be two artists. So depending on what you want to do, you might not need to generate two artists. If it's a rap artist, just a single artist, you can just do whatever you want to do, and you can just modify the prompts so it would suit whatever you want to create. So next up, I gave ChatGPT the same picture, this first picture. So what I did was I generated them in plain white background. So I can use these particular ones that are in the plain backgrounds to duplicate and make them be in different backgrounds that would work for our music video. So I gave ChatGPT these prompts with the picture and told it to recreate it in a background, a proper music studio, a proper performance studio background. And as you can see, this is what it gave us. And as you see, this is super cool. I did the same with the two characters here, and then it gave me this for the lady. I did the same with the both characters. I want them to be in a single background, and as you can see, this is what we got. So you just have to be creative with this. So you know what you want to achieve with your music video. Use the prompts I've provided and modify it in the way that it works for whatever you want to create. So I'm going to try to generate a couple of these, as you can see. And these are all what we're going to use to create our AI fictional music video. To animate our characters, we're going to be using another AI tool called runwayml.com. So right here in runwayml, I've already animated most of the characters in different scenes that I generated. So once you get to Runway ML, all you just need to do is to click on this particular place on the left here. You can see where it says select assets. So if you click on select assets, there's an option here for you to import your own image. So all you just need to do is to click on this and import the characters that you have already generated. As you can see, I've imported all my characters here. So once you go back here, let me just select one of these, for example. So the next thing you need to do is to paste in your prompt. As you can see, they say describe your shot. So I already provided different prompts. The prompts I used to animate mine, I provided them. So if you go back to, if you get the prompts that I've provided, you can copy any of these. So this is the first one. This is the one I used to animate the guy. So you can see, animate the scene. The camera slowly zooms in and out on the guy as he raps to the camera. He moves his hands gently and stay calm in the background. He blinks softly. So you just need to explain the actions you want the character to do. So right here, this is the one I generated with that prompt I just read. So as you can see here, yeah, it doesn't give you any sound, but then the guy is performing the action. Don't worry about the voice. He's not talking now, but we use another AI tool to make him sing to our music. So another thing you can do is to ensure that you are generating on 10 seconds. Yes, because if you generate on 5 seconds, it's going to be short. So if you generate on 10 seconds, you have him or any of your characters singing for a long period of time that would match your song. So when you merge all your videos together, it will give you to be able to complete your song. So the next thing we need to do is to take these videos, all our animated scene, and impute our song and make them sing to our song. So in order to lip sync our animated characters, all we just need to do is to use this particular AI tool. It's called dreamfaceai. So when you log into dreamface.app, you can see different options here. So you go over to AI tools and then you select lip sync. So when you select on lip sync, then you scroll down and then you can see here it says generate avatar video. So once you click on that, it's going to take you to this section here. So right here in this section, for me, I've already imputed all my videos. So all you just need to do, you can see here it says a plus. So once you click on this, you can add a photo or a video. So you can also scan here and upload directly from your mobile phone. But I would suggest that you upload directly from your PC. So once you click on this upload photo, you can then upload your video or your animated picture. But in this case, we have uploaded our videos. So once you selected your video, you can be able to select which one you want to lip sync. So this one, as you can see, they are not talking. So by the right here, you can see an option to type in our text. So if you just want the characters to talk, you can paste in the text you want them to say on this space here, or you can add audio. So when we go to add audio, you can either record directly from your PC or you can upload your audio, but it's actually recommended that you record your audio in a way that you want it to be and probably edit it and put it in order. So once you come here, you can just upload and then choose from your device and then you upload your song. So when you upload your song, it's going to appear like this. You can be able to trim it. For example, you don't want it to start from the beginning. You can trim it down like this. You can take it up like this, so you can stream it from the end. And you also need to take note that you can't upload any audio that is more than 15 seconds. So as you can see here, the maximum audio length is 15 seconds. So once you upload the audio here, all you just need to do is to scroll down and then you can click on generate. So when you click on generate, it's going to take you to this section here where you will see all generated lip synced videos here. So right here, you can see this one is currently generating. And then these are the ones I've generated before. These are the ones I previously generated. So I generated a couple of them. So the next thing that we would do is to merge all of these videos into a single clip. Yeah, so we'll use CapCut to merge them together and then we'll have our complete music video. So our video is done generating. So if I click on it here, there's an option to preview. So if you come here,
I keep my head up to the sky, taking my heart, hustling my stride. I know my time gon' come alive. I'll make for more, I feel it deep inside.
I feel blessed.
so as you can see, she's actually singing to the video, but this one doesn't really show her. It doesn't really show much of the example that I wanted to show you guys. So let me go down to one of the previous ones I generated. Yeah, so let me show you an example with this one. So if I play this one, you can see that he's actually...
I feel blessed to see another day. I thank God, He the reason I'm living.
This is actually short. So let me show you another one. So let's say this. So I just want you guys to see how he actually sings. So like his lips actually sings the song.
Hustle, they got in the day. Straight out of bed, chase my hustle. They gotta pay, steady on the grid, cause there ain't no other way. Rest in peace to the comfort zone. Bro, I ain't gotta be lazy, I gotta chase the tone. I see myself in high places, I'm chasing high stages if it ain't no.
Yeah, so you can see this is actually cool. He was not actually singing like this, and I think this particular tool actually extends your video and make sure it matches the length of your audio. So the next thing we're going to do is to take all our clips down to CapCut and merge them and cut out the places that we don't need in order to have a full video. And just in case you don't have access to CapCut Pro, or you don't want to use CapCut, or you want to edit with your phone, this is another editing tool that you can actually use. It's called Edits, and it's actually created by Instagram. So you can just go to creators.instagram.com and then you can be able to edit here. I haven't actually tried it, but I believe it's going to be good. So back here in CapCut, I've already done my own personal editing the way I want it to be. I didn't want this video to be too long, which is why I didn't want to start showing you exactly how I brought in all the audios. So what you just need to do is to bring in your audio, bring in your videos, and then you cut them the way you want them to be. So I'm just going to play mine so you can see a preview of what I did.
I keep my head up to the sky, taking my heart, hustling my stride. I know my time gon' come.
As you can see, I first started with a clip of the lady singing, and then I switched to this clip where I have the two artists showing, and then I just display their name, AI Steve and AI Tasha. Then you can see it went back to the lady singing, so you can just play around with it, just be creative. And then I displayed the title of the song, just like a normal music video. It displays the name of the artist, and then it displays the name of the song. And then this is a zoom in shot of them. The video I generated actually zoomed in, and then I just made it fast. I think I added speed to this. So as you can see here, I added a little speed to this, so it's going to speed up fast. So you just need to come to CapCut or whatever editing app you're using and ensure that you edit it in a way that it actually makes sense. You can actually use some other music videos as reference. Just watch it and see how they edit their own, and then you can play around with yours and then ensure that you have something good.
I feel blessed to see.
So you can see this is the scene of the guy rapping.
I thank God.
I play forward a bit. You can see from here, this is like an indoor studio where he's rapping, and then he switches to where we have him and the lady here, and then he keeps switching.
Steady on the grid, cause there ain't no other way. Rest in peace.
So you can see I made it to keep switching, so it's not just going to be like a still shot of him rapping in one location. So you just need to be creative with this. You can generate as many locations as you want, and then you ensure that it displays well. So for this one, I didn't do the complete song. I just made a part of the song just for this video. So I think this is the last step. After doing this, and you get to export your video, and yeah, you can share it to the world. So I believe this tutorial has helped you. If you're an artist, if you are a speaker, if you do spoken words, if you do any form of entertainment, you can just use this and recreate. It doesn't have to be a music video. It could be anything. So thank you for watching. See you in another one. Ensure you subscribe to my channel because I'll be putting out more videos on AI, graphic design, and general side videos as well. So ensure you subscribe. See you in the next one.